Good morning, and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 44 of our challenge, How to Create Your YouTube Channel Art. In this challenge, you will learn how to create the imagery or banner that appears at the top of your channel. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. All right. So I have some samples here I want to show you. I'm on my channel here, and the reason you want to work with channel art is because it helps make you look more professional, and it lets viewers know what your channel is all about and what to expect from your channel. So I just have a couple I want to show you. This one's mine. Here's one from Think Media, so you can see it says weekly tips and tools for building your influence online, so you know exactly what to expect from them. Here's one from Matthew, weekly videos to help create music, so they both tell you when they're posting. Tristan is letting you know that he's a professor of innovation, growth, and systems. Rachel is all about inspiring others to find their passion and live a life by design. And then we have Simon Sinek here, to inspire people to do things that inspire them. And then again, there's the information about when new videos are available every Tuesday and Friday. So you can see there's quite a range of ideas here, and you want to make it fit your personality and your channel, and you can always go through other YouTube channels to get inspiration. Okay. So I wanted to start by showing you a couple of examples. And then I want to let you know that you can make channel art in any platform that you're comfortable with, or any design program. So if you're just getting started, one of my favorite ones is actually Canva. Like if you're not super designy, you're not proficient in Adobe Pro or Photoshop, anything like that, Canva is a great place to start for design beginners. I do have a pro account that I love. It gives me access to extra stock images and fonts and a few extra features. And it's a low monthly cost at no contract required or anything like that. Or if you sign up annually, you get a little bit more of a discount. So if you're interested in doing that, I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description of this video, so you can go ahead and click that and upgrade to a pro account if that's a good fit for your business. But I am going to use Canva today. And I'm just on my homepage here at Canva. All right. And one of the things I love about Canva is that it actually has all of the template sizes ready to go for you for all the really popular like social media platforms and flyer size, stuff like that. If you are creating from scratch on a different platform, according to YouTube, the best channel art size is 2,560, so 2560 by 1440 for pixels. So if you're starting from scratch and making your own template, that's 2560 by 1440. If you're coming into Canva, on the home screen, you can just type in YouTube, and you'll see a whole bunch of options are popping up here. So the first one is actually YouTube channel art, and you can see right there we've got the 2560 by 1440. So you can just select that by clicking on that option there, and a whole bunch of templates will pop up. Now, you'll notice that these templates are much larger than the banner size you see at the top of my channel here. So that's why you want to make sure when you're doing this that you stick in the area as far as anything that you want to be seen all the time in that banner. You need to stay in that center area that's laid out in the template for you. So go through and pick out which template is best for your channel. These are all pretty cool. They got a lot of really neat art in here. So let's say I think this one's kind of neat. I like this layout. And let's say I wanted to give my channel art a little makeover. I just click on there. Oops, helps me spell it right. And I have my fonts, my favorite fonts saved already. add a new piece of text here. Change my font again. Okay. Make this my signature color that I've also saved with my Pro account here. And then we have images in the background. So I'm just going to go to the stock photos and see if anything will work for my channel. So you can see you can just drag and drop those in. And if you want to move them around, you can do that too. So now all of these kind of have that little bit of blue in it. And there is my new channel art. So go ahead and play around with that and make one that matches your channel. I do have a logo that I've already created. So I'm going to go to my uploads and scroll through here. So you can see I have a couple options here. I don't think I want to do the black one, but I do want my logo in there. I don't need to say the social stack again. Just going to move this over so it's a little more centered. And we are about done. Oh, I only grabbed a couple there. All right, so you can play around with the sizing and positioning and all of that stuff. So here is my image that I'm going to make my new cover art, and go forward with that. You're just going to hit download. I suggest the PNG. I like making it a bit better quality here, and just hit download. Now the next step, once you have it downloaded, is to upload it to your YouTube channel. So that's still downloading. I'm going to come back to my channel. And if you are not already on your main channel page, so if you're on the home screen of your YouTube account, just click your icon in the top right, click your channel, and it will take you back to your actual channel page. Excuse me. To get in here and change this artwork, you have a couple of options. You can click that little camera. You can also come into Customize My Channel here and open up a whole bunch of options on how to make some updates for you. So I like to use that Customize My Channel, and you can see as I hover over my channel art here, a little pencil that pops up in the right-hand corner. I can go ahead and click on that and just click Edit Channel Art. Oh, I must not be logged in, and that's okay. Let's see, Edit Channel Art. Oh, I thought I clicked that. Let's try that one more time. Edit Channel Art. Sign in. It looks like something's going on with YouTube right now, and that's okay. There's not really much more to this process. What will happen is that you should get a window that's going to pop up and ask you to put your artwork in there. So you can just drag and drop right from your downloads folder into that window, and it will then update your channel art. Let's see if it'll let us do it for a profile picture. I'm just going to go ahead and hit edit. So this would be the same process essentially. So you'll get a little window like this for your channel art, and then you can go ahead and hit upload photo and pull in that opened my downloads folder. There's that new template I created in Canva. Just hit open. That should upload right in there. Now, I don't actually want this to be my profile picture, but this at least gets to show you the rest of that process. So once you have done that, you want to go to your channel. You can either click that camera at the banner in your channel art, or you can go ahead and hit customize channel, and like I said, that'll open up some more options for you. Go ahead and tell me in the comments what the main color or template design is of yours. Are you using pictures? Are you using kind of a splashy background like mine, where it's kind of just some sort of graphic with your text on it? Let me know what it's going to look like. And since this is looking like, oh, maybe we got a new, okay, so because this is the profile picture, you can see our profile picture is not as wide as the channel art, so it's letting me know that it's going to crop that image here for us. So you would have the same type of cropping tool on your channel art, but it obviously would be formatted for the channel art and not the icon, your channel icon. So let's say I wanted to change my channel icon to this. We're just going to go ahead and hit done, and you'll see that'll update. And the same thing would happen for your channel art. So now I have a new icon there. I do recommend keeping your icons big and clear and simple because they are tiny. So see how small that is up in the top right? So I'm going to go ahead and put that back to my, my previous one here. I'm just going to choose that. Done. And that will upload that right back to my little light bulb there. Easy peasy. So you should have the same steps for your channel art, and then it will update on this screen for you here. So that's going to conclude our challenge for the day. Remember to let me know what your art's going to look like, and come back tomorrow. We are going to go over some more customization of your channel and how to get that set up so that it's best optimized for your viewers. We're going to talk specifically about your About section tomorrow. I'll see you then, 7:30 a.m. Central.